Hi, this is Anil. Welcome to Operators in PHP series. So here we are going to understand what is a operator and how to use operators in PHP. So operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. This is the definition. And what do you understand with this? Operators are used to perform operations. So we are using the operators to perform operations in PHP. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, these are the operations on variables and values. So we will understand types of operators here. The first operator is arithmetic operator, and the second one is assignment operator, and the third one is comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, and the next logical operator, and then string operators. We are going to have every single operator with example in the next page, and then array operators, conditional assignment operators. Now it's time for arithmetic operator. So as I told you, operations with the values and variables. So in arithmetic operations we are going to learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation. Alright, so we all know what is addition. From a childhood we are just doing this. So addition is something, sum of two numbers. Okay, so you can see the example in the addition. I use a x variable plus y variable to add two variables. Alright, then in subscription you can check out I am using the first variable minus the second variable to subtraction form, and in multiplication I am using x asterisk y. Asterisk means multiply, and division I use x divided by y, and in modulus I use x and the percentage sign, that is called modulus, and y, and the last one x exponentiation sign, that is double asterisk, and y. We are going to do everything in practical section in the upcoming videos, and let's go with the next assignment operators. This is a table of assignment operators. I divided it into two parts, that is assignment and what is the meaning of this. Alright, so assignment is very simple and easy to understand. X equals to y, we all know x equals to y means x equals to y, simple. And the second one is x plus equals to y, so it's very simple. First you see x plus equals to y, then you just do x equals to x plus y, so x equals to x plus y. Okay, and the second one, x minus equals to y, means x equals to x minus y, and like that it will follow the rule. X asterisk equals to y means x equals to x asterisk y, and x slash, that is division sign, equals to y, it means x equals to x slash y, and like this we will use the modulus symbol. X module equals to y, it means x equals to x percentage sign, that is a modulus, and then y. So using this we can do any kind of operations in PHP. It's very simple to use, and it is very important to understand each and every operations, and where we are going to use these operations. Now let's go to comparison operators. So it's a big table of comparison operators. I divided it into 3 parts, that are operators, second one name, and the third one example. Alright, so you can see the first one, that is double equals to. Alright, so you can check double equals to means equal, and the example says x equals to y. Okay, the examples are not clear here, so let's forget it and let's check the operator and name. Alright, so the second one is equals to, it means identical. Okay, and the third one, the symbol and equals to, it means not equals to. So anytime we are going to use none equals to, then we have to do this symbol, and the another symbol is also available there for the not equal to, that is less than sign and greater than sign. It's simple. And in the next we are going to use not and equals to, this means not identical, and then the next one is greater than angular sign, that means greater than. If you want to do a greater than or less than, then we can do that, less than also. Okay, and then greater than equals to looks like this, and then less than equals to looks like less than or equals to. Okay, it means less than angular sign and equals to. Okay, and less than equals to greater than, it means spaceship. All right, so it's time for increment or decrement operators. So what is a increment and decrement operators? So how to use it? Let's I divided it into 2 parts, that is operators and name. The first one is plus plus and the variable name, that is x. It means pre-increment. We are going to see it's in example format. Okay, and the second one is x plus plus, it's post increment. And then the third one is a pre-decrement, that is minus minus x, and fourth one is x minus minus, that is post increment. And the next one is a logical operators. These are the logical operators we are going to use. And so for the and, I am going to use x and y like this, and or the second one going to use or. We are already familiar with these operators if you are 12th pass, or if you have learned in 11th class then. And the third one XOR, that is XOR operator, and the fourth one is and operators, and then the another one is OR operators. We can also use OR in this format and not in the last format. And the next one is a string operators. Using by the name we understand it's a string operator. Okay, so you can I have divided it into three parts, that is operators, names and examples. The first operator is a dot and its name is concatenation. Alright, so the pronunciation will be wrong, but the name is concatenation. Alright, so example is here you can see the two variables, that is txt1 txt2 and the example txt1 dot txt2. Alright, and the next one is dot equals to, that is concatenation assignment. Okay, so it's a txt1 dot equals to txt2. This also mean that txt1 equals to txt1 dot txt2. Alright, let's go to the another array operator. This is the array operators are used plus, double equals to, triple equals to, not equals to, and greater than, and less than greater than sign with not double equals to. So we are using these 6 operators here, and with a you can understand what is the use, and the example is also giving, so you can understand what is the use of these array operators here. So plus mean union, and double equals to mean equality, triple equal is the identity, and the fourth one is the inequality, and the fifth one is the inequality also, the sixth one is non-identical. So we will understand what is this in the practical sections. The next one is conditional assignment operators, and this is the example of conditional assignment operators, and which are operators we are going to use here. The question mark, colon, this means internally, and how to define it in the example, that is x equals to x per plus expr1, expr1, and then question mark expr2 colon expr3, and the second operators is double question mark, that is null colon sensing, and the example is x equals to expr1 double equals double question mark expr2. Okay, it's a long topic with operators, and we will understand every single thing in this theory part. So let's go with the new topic, if and else.